Today we're gonna do a basic frittata. So a key component to meal prep is relying on nutritious, easy, healthy ingredients, something like eggs. So we're gonna start by chopping up all the veggies. Vegetables have different fat-soluble compounds like antioxidants and vitamins, and the fat content in eggs really helps us bring that into the body. A little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of dried basil, and then finally we're gonna add half a cup of water to the egg mixture just to whisk it together. I think this is a really great option for whether you eat meat, if you're vegetarian, flexitarian. It really offers something for everyone. We're gonna pour the eggs on it. So I just like to make sure that everything's kind of evenly distributed so that you're not getting all the tomatoes in one portion. We're just gonna let this sit for about 8 or so minutes. It takes a little time, but it's really easy. We can actually pour over the Parmesan cheese if we want. Yeah, we just kind of want to evenly distribute it everywhere. And then the final step, we're just gonna pop it in the oven for a couple minutes. It's just gonna let the cheese melt, get a little crispy, and puff up the frittata.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that is nice.
It looks really good. The dish has 4 servings. Each serving has 17 grams of protein with 13 grams coming from the eggs alone. Look at that. Super simple, right? For more easy meal prep recipe ideas, if you're feeling really inspired to get in the kitchen, you can head to eggs.ca or the link in the comments below, and they've got plenty of nutritious recipes on there.